So, good morning, everyone. My name is Yogesh from D2 section from MNTC Center. I am going to present here a short talk of Jig Boring machine. These are the contents which we will see in the topic. First, history, introduction, picture of a Jig Boring machine, types, vertical milling machine types, and planar type. These are the types of a machine. Function, parts of a Jig Boring machine, advantages and disadvantages. History of a jig boring machine. Jig boring machine is the most accurate machine. This machine was first developed in 1910. This machine is used as a locating machine. After that, in 1917, the real jig borer machine was built by Farad and Whitney. The jig boring machine is the most accurate machine. That's why this machine is used for manufacturing of jigs, fixtures, tools, and other precision parts which required high degree of accuracy. And the accuracy of that machine is 0.0025 mm. This is the picture of jig boring machine. There is bed. Bed is made up of rigid material, and saddle is mounted on the bed. Table is mounted on the saddle. The column is backside of a machine. On column, spindle housing is mounted, and spindle is mounted on spindle housing. The spindle housing is movable in z-axis by through column. These are the two types of machine. First one, vertical milling machine type, and second one, planar type. In vertical milling machine type, the spindle is rotated on a vertical column and the horizontal table resets on the bed in front of the column. The positioning of the work mounted on the table may be obtained by component movements of the table perpendicular and parallel to the column face. In planar type, it consists of two vertical columns on the two sides of the table and mounted on the base. The table has a reciprocating movement for adjustment of the work. The spindle is mounted on the cross rail of the bridging. Functions. Jig boring machines are used for drilling, boring, countersinking, reaming, and other finishing in individual and small scale production during the manufacturing of cutting and measuring tools, jigs, dies, and key components of the machine and instruments. These are the parts of the jig boring machine: spindle head, housing, spindle house, spindle, table, saddle, and bed. Advantages of jig boring machine: high precision, increased productivity, reduced manufacturing cost, complex components can be easily machined. Disadvantages: high cost, limited capacity, specialized training required, limited usefulness for other applications. Thank you. Any doubt? If any doubt, then ask it comment section.